All right, we are going to sign into Vectr, V-E-C-T-R, sign in with Google. Make sure you pick your school Google account. And the first thing you're going to need to do in Vectr is set up your workspace so that you've got something that's the right size. So I'm going to click New Artwork. There's a little lock between the two measurements of width and height. Click the lock so it's open, and then go ahead and change your measurement units to inches. Let's go 20 inches wide, and we'll go 15 inches tall. So it's 20, 15, you've unlocked the lock, and you've got it to inches. Leave the 72 DPI alone. Click Create, and it'll go ahead and open up this workspace for you. Then you're going to need to go right here, and what vectors are there a bunch of shapes that are added together and subtracted apart. We're going to show you how to do those real quick here. So go to the shapes. I'm going to start with a square. I'm going to put my square right here, make it a little bit bigger. If I want to find the size of my square, this square is 3 inches, just over 3 inches by 3 inches. And I want to make it exactly 2.5. So I'll put a 2.5 there, and now I have an exactly 2.5 by 2.5 inch square. I'm going to do a few other things to it. I'm going to get rid of the inside color by clicking up there. I'm going to give it an outline in black right there. It's important that you have a black outline with an empty inside. Now, what you can do with a scalable vector program is you can take another shape and then you can add it to that first shape. So I'm going to make sure they overlap. I'm going to center them, do the same thing I did before, get rid of the color, add the border, and now if I highlight both the shapes, I can add them together. This adds them together. This subtracts the second shape from the first shape. This only includes where they intersect each other, and this only includes where they don't intersect. I could do either this last button, excluding the middle part, or I could do the uniting part here. Actually, no, I can only do the unite part. So I'm going to click there, and now I have a single shape. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I've double-clicked it, and I can actually adjust this and fine-tune it a little bit. I can drag parts out like that. If I wanted to add something else, I can double-click that, and then I can take this and do some more. So anywhere I want to point where I'm moving it, I double-click, and I can drag stuff out, or I can double-click it and make the lines go like that. When you're all done, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and export this, and you're exporting it as an SVG file. That's what you're going for. Good luck.